Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates from Mixkit. First, navigate to the Mixkit website and locate the Video Templates section. You will find a vast library of options, including categories like After Effects, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro. Browse through the categories or use the search bar to find a template that perfectly suits your project's needs. There are thousands of free assets available for immediate download. Once you've found a template you like, click on its thumbnail to open the individual template page. Here, you can watch a full preview of the template in action, read a brief description, and check its compatibility with your editing software. Look for the prominent Download button, usually a green one, and click it to begin downloading the template file. Most templates are under 100 megabytes, ensuring a quick download. After downloading, open the template file in your chosen video editing software, such as Adobe After Effects or Premiere Pro. You'll typically find clearly labeled layers for text, images, and video placeholders. Simply drag and drop your own media into these designated areas. You can also easily modify colors, fonts, and animation timings to match your brand or project's aesthetic, often with just a few clicks. Once you are satisfied with your customizations, it's time to export your final video. Go to your software's export or render settings. Select your desired output format, such as MP4, and choose a resolution like Full High Definition or 1092 by 1080 pixels. Ensure the frame rate matches your project settings, typically 24 or 30 frames per second, for a smooth, high-quality final product ready for sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.